found this. Looks like a big ant egg or something. When I was, oh my god, something's sticking its head out. Oh my gosh. If you find these little white eggs, this is what comes out of it. A baby snake.
Who's this coming into my home?
Dude. Oh, hi, Jake. What are you doing here?
Roar! Roar! Hiss! Roar! Woo.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. Mm-hmm.
I put my snake on some eyelashes. Don't play with her! Don't play with Myra!
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake. Slithering in your car.
I'm trying to sleep. Can you stop farting? I'm trying to sleep. Thank you. Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. Mm-hmm, I see.
Oh. Look at how beautiful she looks now. Again, this skin has been soaking for a while. Doesn't hurt her at all. I know there's a lot of weirdness on the internet about people helping their snakes shed, but you got to remember that when they're supposed to come off, it's supposed to come off. It's a pretty interesting video. This is the death roll of a little hognose snake. See how it'll pretend like it's dead, it's laying down. This is actually their defense mechanism. You can see right here, but then you just flip it over and it'll continue to try to roll around. But again, this is just completely a normal hognose, and that's the way that they kind of thwart off predators, for the fact that they try to act like they're dead. You can see its tongue is still coming out. If I just left it alone, it would flip over and crawl away like nothing.
Guys, I have something very cool to show you today. These are Brahminy blind snakes. They're one of the smallest species of snake on planet Earth.
You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses. You right to jail.